Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. So first, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. And then, I want you to tap Profile Settings. Now, scroll down, then under your Facebook information, tap on Download Profile Information. Now check the Deselect All option and then select only Messages. And then I want you to scroll it down at the bottom. You can see here the date range. You will put all of my data and then media quality, then create file. So you just wait for a few hours to receive the information and recover deleted messages. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.